We got a call about a swarm of honeybees that landed on the back porch of a home in Weslaco, Texas. We were able to quickly remove the colony through the use of a custom-made bee-safe vacuum. Even though it was already dark by the time we got there, we were still able to quickly relocate them. We had to turn off the lights of the back porch though so they wouldn't fly towards the ceiling. And here are the bees safe and sound inside the vacuum barrel, where they can now be easily transported back home and given a box of their very own.